What a beautiful morning. Check out the views. Hello. It's our second day in St. Thomas and we are trekking away from our hotel and checking out a place called Coki Beach. It's supposed to be great for snorkeling, so we brought our snorkel gear to enjoy the fisheries. Alright, check it out. Oh, look at this. It's a stream. Oh, it's got fountains too. Oh, look at the garfish. There's garfishes in there. They can't see it. Is that a heron? A white heron? Or a stork? I think it's a stork. It's hunting for food. What a life. We made it to Coki Point. It said the snorkeling is good here, so check it out. He said either ends of the beach. It seems like it's more quiet. Okay.
Trees where nobody else.
We've been out here for hours now, and now we're really hungry, so it's time to eat. Hi, Don. We are done with the beach, so we are gonna relax in one of the pools here and enjoy the view. It's a heated pool. Can't beat it. Can't beat a heated pool. What's that? That's a blue bird. So nice. Look at Don relaxing. This is a relaxing retreat. Nothing but the sound of silence and nature. Oh, and by the way, we're gonna go to that restaurant up there for dinner. One of the how many restaurants are there? Three restaurants. So we already tried one. We can try that one for dinner and just relax for tonight before a busy day tomorrow. A little old-fashioned Cheerios. I think I just spilled that myself, but that's good. My face is really dark here. I'm eating this wahoo, which is a Caribbean white tuna type of fish, right? It's in a steak form and it's amazing. It came with some, I don't even know what these things are. What are these? There's some kind of couscous. Oh,
it's really couscous.
So these are couscous. And some grilled mushrooms and plantains. It's really, really good. It's better than the mahi mahi I had last night. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah. Yummy. What do you think of your dish? It's exactly the same as mine.
Oh, very good.
Yum. This is the massage therapist who helped us tonight.
That's right.
She's very nice. We like her. Thank you for hosting us tonight.
Absolutely.
It was a good night.
My pleasure.
The food was amazing.
Tell us.
I'm too full.
Give us some adjectives.
I'm too full to talk about
How about
it.
some
but
adjectives?
It's really good. It's really good.
'Cause,
there's Tom. Oh,
There's Tom.
What are we doing?
Tom.
Yeah. Because you
Say
guys
hi,
were
Tom.
here. You guys
Tom
were
was
here,
good.
here at the tail end, and I told
Yeah,
I
yeah.
said, you know what? Everybody really was happy. So were you?
Yeah. No, I really.